Hello, Mustangs. Welcome to Mad Lab. I'm your Mad Lab lad, Isaiah Farb. And today, we're going to make a fantastic, dangerous experiment, which is why I'm wearing goggles. We are creating a rocket! Let's start off by decorating our water bottle with tape and coloring pencils. Now, we have an inch worth of vinegar to be filling into this bottle. Let's pause right here for a minute. This method was not successful.
No, shake it. No, Isaiah. Go.
Okay, here's our second try. Take two. Do not make me disappointed. You are to fill this bottle 1/3 of the way with water. Then add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then you mix the cornstarch with the water. And then you add 2 magical Alka-Seltzer tablets. Again, not our sponsor.
No?
Okay, maybe it's...
Whoa! I didn't get it!
I didn't get it either!
I didn't get it!
As the Alka-Seltzer tablets fizz, carbon dioxide is released inside the canister. Pressure from the gas builds and eventually pops the lid off. The thrust, or push, of your rocket is related to how much pressure built up inside the canister before the top popped off.
This part of the campus has been graced by Mad Lab history. I'm your host, your Mad Lab lad, Isaiah Farb. Bye, guys.